Welcome back, guys. What's up? I'm here with another bomb wig video. Today I'm working with a Longqi Hair. Longqi is the first time I'm trying hair out from them. As you look at their box, you see all their socials where you can find them on Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. So yep. So this is a box. I can just imagine it's because of the whole shipping, why it's a bit, you know, dented and stuff. So we're gonna jump right into what's inside. So as I open the box, I see a pair of lashes. These are some synthetic lashes, and then I have some extra elastic band if I need more security than what's already inside the wig, which is always a good addition to the packages. Then I got the wig, and that's the last thing in the box. So this is the wig, and once I take it out, look on it, I see that it's Brazilian hair. The code and everything is on the wig. Let's go ahead and open it up, see what we're working with. And as you can see, it's highlighted in the front here. We have some highlighted streaks. It is pre-plucked, and I will not be going in any further to pluck it anymore. I'm kind of staying away from plucking too much, like additional plucking, especially when the wigs come pre-plucked, because honestly when I check the levels, I really need to go too hard, because after a while, if any shedding at all occurs, like it will start shedding in the frontal area there. I guess because I don't know, it's easier to shed there since it's already went through the whole plucking process, if you understand what I'm trying to say. This is how the cap construction looks on the inside. It has 3 combs, adjustable straps and stuff, and it's a really nice bob. I'm basically just gonna go ahead and straighten this, get it like straight. As you can see, it has a bit of, like, you know, because it was in the box, it's kind of like bent and stuff. So I'm going to get it back straight. So I'm just gonna go through it with my flat iron. So I'm gonna go ahead and rock it with the center part as it's, oh, and I don't remember if I mentioned to you guys, but this wig is 12 inches long. I went ahead and I tinted the lace a little bit more with my with some foundation. So as usual, the ear portion is a little bit longer, doesn't fit me all the way, so I'm going to go ahead and cut some of that off. I have my Got To Be freezing spray. Still haven't gotten the new one to try out for you guys. Remember the little method that I did last time with the elastic band without cutting off the extra lace? I'm going to try that again for this. See, pre-plucked portion is looking pretty good. So elastic band to further tie down this portion so it melts into the skin more. Excuse my nail, but it really helped. I saw a big difference. It really looked like I always try to make the laces look really melted, but like it took it up a notch for sure. So I leave it on it for like 10 minutes, really tight, Don't leave it on there too long for it to give you a headache, and I prefer using the elastic band than the strip for this portion, specifically because it really helps to sink the lace in even more than the wrap strip. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it looks really nicely melted. So I'm gonna proceed to cutting the lace. So this is my new little thing to melt the lace even more. Look at that, no baby hairs at all. You could definitely go ahead, rock this just as is, just tie it down with the wrap strip now, leave it on for like 10 minutes and it's completely sealed in and you'd be good to go. But I want my swoops, so I'm gonna do my swoops. So what I do is just do like a triangle pattern with the tail of my comb and just like pull it out like that. Guys, this is looking so bomb, so bomb. So I'm gonna take my wrap strip, I'm gonna take my hot comb and my wax stick to get the top really flat and laid. I'm all done with this installation. It's so much more on the minimalistic side, even though it has the streaks. I don't know if you guys understand what I mean, like, you know, it's just like very, I don't know, for me I feel like it's on the minimalistic side. It's like just a little bit of boldness, like with the streaks. So I really like this, and it's a trending you know, look. It's trending, very much trending right now. It's been trending for some time. Really love how the wig laid, you know. As I said, didn't have to go in and pluck any more of the frontal. So this is a more full view of it. It's really nice. I love it. Very flowy. It wasn't hard to install at all. All you need to do is follow what I did step by step. Practice, because you don't always get it in the first try, especially, yeah, you don't always get it in the first try. So just keep at it, keep on practicing, and you'll get there. Okay guys, that's what I did. Okay, this is really nice though, and as you can see, I'm just rocking it completely straight. Yeah, so that's really nice. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to list all the specifications on this wig down below in the description box, so you guys can check it out if you're interested in getting it for yourself. Guys, please remember, drop your video suggestions, please. Thank you. So that's it for today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.